Good morning, everyone. Sorry, I was having problem with the internet and the streaming. That's why it went off the first time. Still having the same thing. It's telling me YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. My YouTube is not receiving smooth. Going up and down, up and down. Wow. Let's see. New year, new opportunity. New year, new possibility. Let me stop the music and see how the stream is going. Okay. Okay, I hope it's. I don't know how slow it is right now and how fast it is also on the other side. Um, I don't know what is wrong with the stream today. It's not really responding the way it's supposed to. The OBS is not giving. I really don't know what to do today. Okay, let's see supply and let's see zero yen. Yeah, yes, I have lights. Okay, you have one. Define that will be instrument. 15 minutes is good, but today I'm not gonna take any trade. I'll just try to look around and see what the opportunity will be for the week. First thing to do is just for us to look at the calendar for the week. Yeah, I have a meeting all day. Three thirty, we have the Canadian Manufacturing PMI. So today, Yeah, we can see on the daily we already reached the supply. And I is moving away from the supply going to the demand. So let's see what the 4 hours is gonna give. Every day we need to do top down at least, just for us to be able to what we're gonna do it for. See on the 4 hours is showing that it's on the supply. Thank you. So it's on the demand. You need to look at all the time on the higher time frame. On the higher time frame on the daily showing us is going down. So what do we need to do from here right now? Looking at what the 4 hours is giving us. Into the 1 hour chart and see what it's 1 hour giving us. 60-minute chart. 60 minutes is giving us the same thing. That they want to move back up. All we need to look for is just for us to look for the we need to look for the opportunity to be able to take a trade. Right now there's nothing to take a trade here on the daily. On the Euro US, Euro Yen. I'm being the first day of the week, Monday. So I just have to keep my eyes on some of the trade. I'm not planning of taking any trade right now. Just look around. Let's see 15 minutes. First of all, it's already on the demand. But looking at the demand can be broken. It has been tested a couple of times, so there's a possibility of the demand being broke. And looking at this demand here on the 15 minutes, you see the bearish. And if this bearish close below this, I believe it's coming down probably to if care not taken, it will be coming down here to 25.97. Looking at the 25.97 on the 15 minutes time frame, see there's a lot of demand here. This is where everything starts from. The push that went up is where it starts from. So there's still possibility here. And then yeah, there's not much of not much things today in the news. So I'm not gonna stay on one trade for today. Let me just keep looking, see what's Euro USD. Maybe Euro USD have another one. Go back to this Aussie and see what the Aussie is saying to me. Um, yeah, it's others that will make money. Oh, there was the Euro Aussie. I was having a late on this Euro Aussie. I was having a late on this Euro Aussie on this. It was yeah 78, 15 minutes yeah. On this 70, 76.98. set the alert yesterday night before I went to bed, but I woke up this morning and already eat, but I was not behind my PC to take the trade. But yeah, it's gone by. Bro, let's see what bro USD has for us. Euro USD. Let's check the daily chart. Oh, it's what I have since last year. Let's see what did they write. Generation. Okay, okay. I saw the same. It's moving up on the daily. Yeah, Euro USD still on the uptrend. Still on the uptrend. So looking for buy on the Euro USD. Get the 4 hour. Buy. Any buy opportunity. Yeah. See, already missed this. It has to come back down. I can take anything. See on the 60 minutes, there's nothing. Direction is uptrend on the 60 minute. What is there on the 60 minute? 60 minutes time frame. Yeah, the direction is uptrend. So there's nothing we can do here. I'm not buying it. I'm not taking any trade right now. Just looking. Thing for the day trade. Thing for the day trade. I still think I need to keep eyes on the USD. See. New year, new opportunity, new possibility, new entry. Really funny the way the bitcoins and Ethereum and everything is just flying up this time around. I don't trade much of the bitcoins and Ethereum and all that, but I only have a long time on it. I bought Ethereum very low, and right now it's really going. It's really, really unbelievable. It's really shooting so high. My Ethereum is 8, wow, 806. 806. Yeah, it's going up for almost 25%. Yeah, it's doing good. It's doing good. It's doing good. Very funny. When I bought it when it was, I believe, it was 158. Okay, let's see. What other chats have here? See, yeah, GBP USD, GBP USD, the offer. Okay, let's go back to the GBP USD and see the trade out for us today. Jets. So uptrend. See any supply. The only supply that is here is on daily chart for the 285. 285 is approaching from the level demand. It left the demand and is going to the supply. Trend on the daily. See, yep, we have to see this place. Bit of a demand here. But it's been broken. But it's small. Yeah. Daily chart that I need to cater for just in case. Just in case. Just in case. Just in case. See for yeah, if I have to take this trade up to this place, I will need to back. Come to pull back after I need sorry. Get a pull back in it. Get a pull. Something like this. This way. So that would see it on the one chance. Get 1 hour chance. So there's also a little bit of a demand here on B. Yeah, I see See, there's a lot of demand here on the one what I draw on the daily. I believe it was on the daily or the 4 hour, yeah. One of the two. See, maybe to 131, 136 or 136, yeah. See, I think there might be a potential for this GBP USD. I have to keep my eyes on that also. GBP USD. 1 minute, guys. Sorry guys, I'm back. Can you all hear me? So that is a plan for me on the Euro GBP USD. Just wait for the pullback and see if we can get a good entry. And to be really nice to see what it have to offer. Okay, let's see. What do we have? Here's the card. Here's the card. Let's see. Here's the card on the daily chart. Okay, where is USD going? There's a potential of USD card still dropping because of due to the situation in America right now. Let's see if we can USD card, yeah, on the daily chart. By doing our top down analysis, it's a downtrend. So looking at it right here to here, see any potential of anything here. Yeah, it's only it. So if you have to take any buy on the USD card, then you have to be when you get to the demand on 125.65 on the daily. And if you're shorting the USD card, you have to shut it down to this place. See, for our chart, 240 here. Yeah, see potential of shorting the USD card. Maybe if I see opportunity on this 4 hour to push back down here, then maybe I can look for this. If I see this pullback, I can look for the opportunity to shut back down. So there's still rooms. Pull back and come back in here, or here, any one of these two. Then I can be able to go down. Let's see 1 hour. Shit. Yeah, see, even though it comes here on the 4 hour, and if I can even get another, maybe a small pullback here on the 1 hour, then on 127.23, then I can take it back down again. So there's another advantage there on the USD CAD. And don't forget, even today, 3:30 p.m., there's news on the USD CAD, manufacturer PMI. So there could be a little bit of retracement and push more back, so they're down. So CAD has news today. So get something out from there. See, yeah. Most important thing is don't just trade anyhow. Plan your trade and trade your plan. You as the chef. What is wrong with this internet today? Come on. Are you blanking on me? Believe me, I don't understand what is going on today. It's like I'm losing the connection. See? The moment I go from it load himself. When I see what is gonna happen now. Just don't mess me up. Finally, respond. Okay, same thing. Downtrend. Looking at it on downtrend. So, 4 hour. There's small demand here. It has no effect to me, to me. Looking back, looking left. See the downtrend. Let's go back to the daily. I want to see something in the daily. Looking left on the daily. There's the lowest low. I need my chats. See what did I have. This I can have more. I want to see if he's gonna for me. He's gonna tell me this is the lowest low. Looking left. 2015. 2018 was this low. In 2018, 2020, the lowest low of 2020. Daily. He has created new low. Daily. Let's create a slow, so let's go back to the 4. See anything on see on the any position or should not should not see anything. I don't see anything. This chat. Okay, let's see. Which one I have? Which one? Euro yen. Euro yen. slow in March 2020. There's a potential of this reaching down back to this low again. The possibility of this reaching this low again. Very slow. That was March 2020. Yeah, daily chart. Everything now is down on the daily. See, all the way down the daily chart. Trend is low. Like I said on the GBP USD and the card, all I'm looking for is just a pullback. But back in, take it. See here. See them. See back into 103 to 20. To it's another bucket. It's also here. It's also good. It's for the 1 hour and this for the 4. So in case I miss this one, I know I still have another one here, another opportunity here. Yeah. Okay. And what's this? I have a bit of this. I have the same though. Set up. Same setup on my trading view. Just looking for back to here. taking it back into the, if possible, maybe even back in here. First take profit, second take profit. Sure. It's on the daily swinger trade. Still waiting for that to occur. Yeah. I'm not just marking up the chart, probably for the whole week, probably for 2, 3 days, to see what is gonna happen later. See you 1 hour, 60 minutes. Something there. Okay. Now 2 months ago, Aussie Yen. Let's see, Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen. Let's go to the daily and see what daily has for us. So we know the direction we're taking. Daily is still on uptrend. Daily is still on uptrend. It's trying to approach 80.33. 80.33. It's forward giving us. We're trying to approach 80.33. And I already have a little bit of pullback, but the pullback is not strong enough. So I'm looking for pullback. Let me see, 60 minutes. Like a double top. And this is like a double top, giving a little bit of double top in 1 hour. But the potential that I'm looking for is just gonna be somewhere here. Let's see if there's gonna be also another pullback down here. We have to pull back to this place. I'm expecting a big one, but if it doesn't come, decide to make a shallow pullback. Anything from here. But if I can get a long pullback down there, that would be nice. But the deep one is here, and the short one I'm looking, seeing from here to here, then I can go back up here, or from here down here, then I can go back up here. So those are the two things I'm looking for on this Aussie. Oh, the last one is gold. Gold, gold, gold. Gold, gold. Gold. Let's see gold on the daily. It's just shooting. It's just shooting. It's just shooting. Skyrockets. Yes, skyrockets. And the supply and the supply and the supply. I left the demand, create a little bit of supply here. I should have because US is down, dollar is down, and gold is rising. Oh, mamma mia. So 190, 195, 195 2. It's gonna hold here. At least what I'm gonna see to be able to short gold. But for now, I'm not gonna do anything with gold because I know how volatile it is. I'm not even gonna look at it to see any potential I can see on it. So for me, gold, you're gonna wait. Gold, you're gonna wait. You're gonna wait. See, see. It's not. If it doesn't come in here, I'm not doing any sell or any buy on 1 hour charts. Yeah. See this a little bit of back to 190, 1922. 1922. Yeah, if I can get that, yeah, maybe I can look for something. Right now, I'm not. I'm not trying to look for anything on gold. So let's leave it the way it is. Not even going further on it. And it has a potential for increasing your account, but you need to be careful. Let's go back to Euro. We have Euro. Still looking on that. Nothing yet. Let's check the day trade 10 minute. Nothing yet. GBP USD. Okay, this one is moving. There's a little bit of demand here, demand here. Still demand. It has been tested. This has not been tested. So I still have a potential of reaching it. This one. Come back in. So I will see if I have attention. No. Nothing. Nothing, 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 nada, nada, nada. Okay. Coming. Use the restroom. Let me see this day trade. It's, hasn't taken. This one up. 12 pips.
Iedereen heeft mooie dromen en doelen in het leven. Voor jezelf of voor elkaar. Samen die droomreis.
Sometimes trading can be boring. So trading is just like it's a waiting game. Let me just put it that way. It's a waiting game. That's why they say trade your plan your trade and trade your plan. It's just a waiting game. I've done the analysis for this morning now, and I'm just waiting and see what will happen. It's just a waiting game. Just keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. And being Monday, being first Monday, 2021. So everything has not back fully. Only thing we know is Bitcoin rising and Ethereum rising. The other ones are flying up. Yeah. Everything is just flying up. Let me see. What can I do? Think I need to. 11 o'clock could take a break from the system himself. This one is there. This one is here. Then two. So surprising, man. Hmm. Expecting to pull back. Continue that. Here's the here's the car that's just shooting down, not giving us any opportunity to enter. Opportunity, miss this opportunity here, but I have to wait for another one. Let's see. Day trade, can still get something out of it. Day trade, still get something out of it. See. See, that's why it's not good to rush the trade, because if you already enter into this trade here, see why you push up. You just buy into it and they sell you down. So you just have to wait. Just follow your plan. See how it's coming in? is dropping. GBP is dropping. Let's see how far I can go. See how far I can go. Can do some day trading. This Aussie. Check it again. The daily. Aussie on the daily is approaching. You know, 781, 781, 60 minutes. Top 60 minutes. Damn it. 10 minutes. Has a potential. Let me see. Stage. I don't want stop loss to be too big. Yeah, I can do it at 5 pips. Three counter train. So
Order filled.
First trade of the year. Aussie USD. 2 minutes chat. Two two one. Yeah. It's 30. 14. Okay. The 15 minute chat. So 772. GP 772. That's one. The reason behind the trade is just a counter trade. I'm trying to trade on this trade because looking at it on the 15 minutes. Look, going back to the daily. Going back to the daily, you can see you still have a potential of reaching this supply that is here. It's on uptrend, so I'm just trading a counter trend on it, and on the 4 hour, for it. You see, it's really free here on the 4 hour. So looking at it on the 1 hour, you see, that's already created another supply here. The supply that was here that dropped down here, and the liquidity that is here, I believe is coming back to take it up from here. Then it's going back down. That's why I try to actually, okay, let me get in on this trade. Looking at it on the 15 minute. Looking at it on the 15 minute, you can see the same thing happen. Look, from here, sharp drop, pull back, the same place. The liquidity that was here, it take it and it went all the way sharp down. Since then, it has been consolidating. It come back and retest it again. So from here, they still, I believe, people that sell from here, they are selling there. So it's coming back again to take the sell. So it's pulling back down. That's actually quick. Let me take a quick day trade from here. Yeah, just 2 to 1. Let's see how it's gonna go for straight over here. Ethereum USD. Wow. Look how sharp the dropping is going now. For straight all day for the year. Everything is going up, going up, going down. What do people want again? People sending me back my money or what? Okay, stop. Steve.
Iedereen heeft mooie dromen en doelen in het leven. Voor jezelf of voor elkaar. Samen die droomreis maken. Of misschien wil je de kinderen helpen bij het kopen van hun eerste huis. Laat je geld groeien met de spaarverzekering van Dela. Met het Dela Coöperatie Spaarplan zet je geld opzij voor de lange termijn met een vaste rente van 2%. Kijk op
I really made a mistake. I didn't even press the record to record the whole screen of the straight I'm taking. Just it's okay. Yeah, gold is really shooting up, but I don't want to go into it. It's too early for me. Gold is really shooting up. Let's see what he's saying here. That is nice. Cool oil. Yeah, cool oil is also doing good. Gold is now having a is now on a 15 minutes supply. So gold is pulling back a little bit. Let me see. Crude oil, that is a really good start of the year. Yeah. Crude oil is reviving. Maybe because of the meeting they're having today. That's why it's pushing up. Let me see if I can get anything about the news of crude oil today. Tokyo has resigned to refine from changing system. I need the real news. The real news. Japan could make state of emergency announcement as soon as Thursday. So, okay. UK December final manufacturer PMI. If the JPY extend drop $300. Yeah, I'm thinking of it as a shut this one first. See for I have to use the say Denmark.
that.
The black flames will turn your
So these are more golem dudes, and Phoenix.
Drawing doodles, rhyming noodles, smoking rollies, saying toodles to the police. Hopping fences, doing burners on abandoned churches. Looking for my purpose. I ain't perfect, but I'm working harder than all of them, all of the time. Couldn't fall in the line, pardon my lateness. My path look like a snake that's been tied into 10 knots. Hard to follow like 10 plots. Missed 9 out of 10 shots, but I hit one. As long as we get the W, it's all good. Still striving to be a better man. Trying to lay off the medicine, stressing over some Benjamins. Less aggressive, my temper bad. Be a little more sensitive. Yeah. Take a breath, give it space, trying to learn what the lesson is. Marinating in the starlight, see the constellations on a dark night, When I look up into space, I could lose my place in time. And I feel so free when I leave this ground. And you got me all the way back home. I'm just marinating in the starlight, see the constellations on a dark night, When I look up into space, I could lose my place in time. And I feel so free when I leave this ground. And you got me all the way back home.
I've been, I believe I've been talking to myself for a couple of minutes ago. I didn't even know. So, but I'm not gonna stay long on the stream, live stream today. In the next 5 minutes, I'll be off from the stream. Just please. This is a new year. New year, new plan. New profit, new entry. Try as much as possible to stay with your plan. It's very, very important. Make a plan and make a goal in 2021. Just become, even if it's just 1 minute or 1% of yourself better than what you were last year. Don't rush into trade. Just focus on the trade you want to take. And be careful of taking other people's ideas and analysis of trade or so-called signal. Just focus on your own. Learn to trade. Learn to bring your own idea into the market. Learn how to be able to put yourself, to be able to analyze the chart on your own. There will be some time, there will be a time that you will have losses, but sometimes you're gonna have wins. If you follow me, when I'm having wins, you have wins, but when I'm having losses, you don't know the reason why I'm having losses. Maybe the trade I'm taking, maybe the period of I'm having losses are those period of my drawdown of my strategy. You don't know. And I know the time that I'm going to be having losses. Maybe that time I'm reducing my risk, I'm reducing my lot on the lot size I'm taking. But you don't know. Because every 3 wins, there is 1 or 2 losers gonna follow. So you have to be able to know yourself. How am I gonna tackle this year? I need to have a trading plan. I need to have a good strategy. I need to know how to read the chart, analyze the chart on my own, from the daily to the 1 hour, or to the 15 minutes, or to 30 minutes, or to 5 minutes. You really need to know how to analyze the chart. It's very, very important. And try to stick with your plan. Don't let it be like last year. Oh yeah, you said, yeah, like it's just like many people that say they want to go to gym. The very first month you will see them, they're very punctual, they're very, every day they are at the gym. A month later or 2 weeks later, yeah, don't worry, I'll go tomorrow, don't worry, I'll go next tomorrow. They're not going to go to that gym the way they're supposed to be go regularly, so they could be able to get the same result they're expecting to get. Same way you need to take your trading this year. Just keep it steady. Plan your trade and trade your plan. Even though you follow me on the stream, I say, okay, this is what I'm looking at, this is what I want to take, this one. You don't need to follow what I'm doing. All you need to do is just follow, look at what I'm doing, and try to go back in your own chart and look at what you plan. Does it correspond with mine? If it is not, you don't take the same trade I'm taking. Because when I lose, I know I lose, but you don't know. Maybe just please, this year, make it a year that you will focus on your trade. Well, you can see I can call myself a price action trader. There is no indicator, no anything, just only supply and demand structure. That's what I trade with. I make it my own. I understand it in my own way. It takes me years to be able to develop this. It's not something you can just wake up in the morning and it's like that. A lot of back testing has gone behind it. I backtest sometimes. I don't even have time for myself. Not even talk of my own wife, of my own children. For you to know how many times I put into this. So please, do your diligence. Don't come into this market thinking you're gonna get rich the next day, the next month. It needs time. And try as much as possible to just plan yourself for every day. If you cannot be able to grow an 100, I'm not advising it, but if you cannot be able to grow an €100 account to double it, how can you be able to double 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000? Double it in which aspect? I'm not meaning of double it of flipping the account. No. Normal risk management. Proper risk management. Taking the right trade. Waiting for the right moment. Don't rush into trade. Don't follow signals. It will get you to places. Guys, please be careful. Don't be deceived with what you see on the internet. Don't be deceived with what you see on the internet. Don't be deceived with this lifestyle trading. Don't be deceived with it. Don't let people come and tell you this is what you can achieve by you trading. Yes, you can achieve a lot of things by you being a trader. It gives you freedom, yes. Freedom of yourself to be able to do all the things, yes. But don't expect that, yes, between 2-3 months you're gonna be a millionaire. No. Except you have a huge account, yeah. Don't expect that between 2-3 months, 6 months now you'll be already riding your Lamborghini, Bugatti. No, it doesn't work that way. Take your time. First of all, know how to read the chat. Know how to read the chat. Understand the chat. What is the candlestick telling you? If you're someone that trade with an indicator, I don't trade with an indicator. Even I have RSI, I hardly even use them because sometimes when I look at it with the indicator together, sometimes I get confused. So I just remove it totally. I just focus on just plain price action. So it's very, very important to know what you want to be, what kind of trader you want to become. Just just take the time to grind yourself into it, to learn more about the trading. If you take signal today, signal tomorrow, where is it going to take you to? Nowhere. If the people giving you a signal decide not to stop giving signal, then what happened? If you're already building your machine on the signal, then what happened? So it's very, very good, very, very important for you yourself to learn how to trade. Learn how to trade. Don't stop learning. Look for the best course you can take. Look for a mentor to guide you. When you have a rough time, you can go back to the mentor. When you're not clear with something, you can go back to your mentor. Look for the people that have been that have taken the journey that you're about to take. Look for them, search for them, the real one or the fake one. Let them put you through. The journey that meant to take you like, let's say a year, 2, 3 years can take you a year can take you 6 months. 2 years can take you maybe a year or even shorter. They can tell you the mistake they have made so you can be able to learn from that to grow, to shorten your own journey. Anyone that tell you that trading is easy, believe me, is lying to you. Trading is hard. Remember, trading is I call it all the time a game. If you're winning, somebody is losing. And when you're losing, somebody is winning. The market doesn't know who you are. The market did not see you at all. The market does what it needs to do and what it's going to do. So it's up to you to come in with a plan, with a strategy to be able to tackle the market. It's up to you to come in and say, okay, this is how it worked 2, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, even a years ago. This is how it worked. And let me see if I can make a plan on this to be able to tackle the market this way. Well, I don't have much to say. Just please, this year, make it the best year of yourself. Not only in trading, in everything. Set a goal and try as much as possible to walk towards those goals. You can have long time goal, short time goal, and the one you can be able to reach quickly. Because the one you can be able to reach quickly will give you motivation of the long time one. But don't set goal of 20 years to come. In 6 month time, in 3 month time, what do you want to achieve? In a year to come, what do you want to achieve? In life, in your trading, home, in everything. Set a goal. Because when you set a goal, that is what is gonna give you a motivation to work towards something. Without you setting a goal, there's no way you can be able to work towards anything. Because you know something, you have something that you're chasing. Guys, I don't have much to say, man. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. I have to cut off the stream so short today. I have an appointment 12 o'clock. I need to get myself ready, and I'll see you tomorrow. If you have anything, just drop me a mail. Just leave a mail. Leave a chat. I'll read everything. I'll look back to it. I'll answer you. If it is very soon, I'm gonna create a Telegram and also Discord and everything that we can come together and discuss and share things together. So please, stay blessed. Remember, 2021. Let's make it the best year we ever lived. Let's make it the best year. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care of yourself.